Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I saw an update on NAKD brand. I haven't looked at them for quite some time. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel. Haven't talked about them in a while just because they pissed me off, but I had bought into them and then it just kept going down, and I can't remember how much. I would have to look at my other videos. I would link those in the description. The reason I can't remember is because of this disaster, and we'll go over that here in a moment. But they did a reverse split, and so that's what really messed me up. Kind of the same cost basis I had on my reverse split with Hexo. As you follow my channel, you know I've covered that one numerous times. Hexo's a MJ play, and they did a reverse split, and I think I had about the same cost basis with that one, $17.04, and tried to get that one down. So, but this is NAKD brand. It was one of the meme stocks back in, I want to say, January. It was going bonkers for a while. I bought in, kept buying in. Had 100 plus shares, I think 110 or something like that, and then I can't remember what happened with it. It just kept going down, and I was in the red and just kind of forgot about this one up until this last week. So, but this is, of course, the prices look totally different after the split, but we'll go over that here in a moment. But here's a look at what they've done over the last year. It's up over 94%. In the last 3 months, it's down over 48%. In the last month, it's down over 33%. And then here in the last week, down 0.30%. And in the here's a look at today. So it had a great day. If I would have known that, I probably would have bought in, or this would have been a good spot to have bought in as well, but missed that. So gotta fix this. So that's, who knows if it'll ever hit that. But I have 8 shares now at $17.04 is my cost basis, and you can see my return down over 63%. So basically, if you don't know what this one is, it's an apparel and swimwear company, hence the brand NAKD brand. Been around since 1947, volume 18.99 million, so it's a ton of volume today. Average is 5.56, so it's tripled that and then some. The 52-week low is 286, 52-week high is 51. And again, all these figures are going to differ from my last video that I did, but I think it was under $1 if I remember right. I want to say 50 or 60 cents. I can't remember. I'd have to do the math or watch one of my older videos, but you can see here is a 1 for 15 split. So I had 110 shares, now I have 7. So for every 15 that I had, I now have 1, which totally sucks, but it was in the red before. So anyway, this is another one that I've done quite a few videos on, and maybe it'll do a reverse split too and totally screw up my cost basis. But anyway, moving on, midday meme stock, a report for 12/28, GameStop, Hut 8, IonQ, NAKD Group. During Tuesday's pre-market trading session, it looked like the day would be building better on the Monday solid gains. In the noon hour, the NASDAQ traded in the red, S&P 500 was barely in the green, and only the Dow Jones Industrial Average had improved on its pre-market level. Utilities and industrials sectors were both up 0.7% to lead the pack, while healthcare, energy, and technology all traded in the red. So it was it's actually been kind of a weird 2-3 weeks, going on a month, pretty much since the end of November. Crude oil was still higher than Monday's settlement and pulled back since to around $76.10 a barrel. Bitcoin continued the downward trajectory. Almost got tongue-tied there. Had to slow it down, but... And here's going over some of the other stocks. It just blows my mind people are still trading GameStop. Just crazy. It's been going on for a year, and it was going good and heavy back in January, and here's it's talking about shares of NAKD traded down by nearly 10% on now specific news. The company's acquisition of electric van maker Centro is supposed to close this week, but some investors may be skeptical. On Monday, Centro announced that in manufactured and shipped 628 of its Logistar 200 electric delivery vehicles to the European market, and confirmed its guidance to deliver at least 20,000 vehicles next year. Never heard of this one. Quantum computer maker, shares of Hut 8. Have not heard of that one either. GameStop, of course. And NAKD Brands traded down more than 9% to $5 in a 52-week range, $2.85 to $51. So that's quite the range. So I'll link my other videos. I should have went back and watched one and see what I was buying NAKD Brand for, but I want to say it was 50-60 cents, or maybe that's what it got down to. I have to look. It's been a while since I looked at it. Tried to forget about this one, but what the future may hold for a NAKD Brand after a reverse split technical analysis. Hopefully it goes up and I get my money out of it. That's what I have to say about it. Shares are trading lower Wednesday as the stock made a 1-for-15 split. The reverse split was done to meet a minimum share price required for the company's acquisition of Centro Automotive Corp. And Centro Electric Group. NAKD Brand was down 11.3% at $6.41 at publication time. NAKD Brand daily chart analysis. The stock has fallen below support in the technical traders call a sideways channel using the adjusted price from the reverse split. Stock showed key levels at $7.1150. NAKD Brand stock trades below both the 50-day moving average in green and the 200 moving average in blue. And there you can see the chart below. And this goes over what's next for NAKD Brand. Some gains gapping lower this morning. The stock is headed back towards the $7 level and may see some resistance near the area. But if you're like me, you need to watch it, and I need to buy some more and lower my cost basis. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. Things are getting ugly with NAKD Brand stock. That's been the whole year long, if you ask me. So shares are trading lower on Tuesday at the stock falls below the support key level. The company recently entered into a definitive merger agreement with Centro Automotive, an EV technology company that has produced and shipped 628 newly launched model Logistar 200 vehicles, which is very interesting, I think. But if it bumps up the stock price, so be it. That's what I'm looking for. So over here on Reddit, can someone explain what happened with NAKD? Can watch my video or do your research. What's happening with NAKD merger and its shares? It's kind of bizarre, if you ask me. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 574 with a low of 286, high of 51. Social media increase. So that's what it would probably take for this one, is to buy a couple shares, lower my cost basis, and then do the meme stock again and pump it up and sell out of it and be done with it and move on to something else. Just stating my opinion here, but need to get out of it one way or another. Over here on MSN Money, no ratings on this one. Very disappointing, and so is Tip Ranks. I don't know if that's just because they did the merger and they got to watch it for a while or what they're doing, but would have been a good time to load it up here and made $1 on it. but that would take quite a bit to knock this down, so I'm going to watch it and see what happens with it, and probably purchase some more, probably do another video on this one at a later time. But if you have any more information on this, go ahead and list it in the comments. That'd be appreciative. That way we can all make some money on this one together. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.